I finally decided to quit my job and went backpacking in Asia for 5 months. I went surfing in Bali, taught English in Vietnam, learned a lot about the culture in India, and ate tons of food in Thailand. So I'm back in the United States, but my heart longs to continue traveling. So I've decided to sell all my possessions and move to a new country. Before I bought this Mazda, I owned a 2001 Corolla for 10 years. I wanted to buy a new car for several years, but I wanted the perfect car. I wanted something that was sleek and sexy, yet also a great adventure mobile. Then I finally found this Mazda. It has leather interior, push start, seat warmers, a moonroof. It's a great car for the LA traffic. Some additional features that I love on my Mazda are the lane assist mirrors, the low mileage, and the heads-up display. And the hatchback makes it easy for me to go from daily commute to adventure time. I simply put the back seats down and I can throw in a bike, camping gear, even a surfboard, and I'm good to go. It's hard for me to let my Mazda go, but it's necessary for me to embark on this new journey. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you or your friend would like to become the new owner of my beloved Mazda.